Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a Wave account. Now Wave is a free and powerful financial management tool that's great for freelancers, small business owners and entrepreneurs. So I'm going to show you exactly how to create a new Wave account. First thing you got to do is open your browser and go to waveapps.com. That's the official website, and then you're going to click the get started or sign up button that's in the top right corner. Now once you've done that, you're going to be prompted to enter your email address and to create a password. You can also sign up using your Google or Apple accounts if you prefer that method. Once that's done, after you're done entering all your details, just click create your free account. Now Wave will ask you a few onboarding questions, like the type of business you run, your country, and the currency that you use. Once completed, you're going to be taken to your main dashboard, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You've successfully created your Wave account. Now you're all set to start using Wave. Be sure to check out our next video where we talk about getting through setting up your business profile. I'll see you guys there. But if you like this video, then like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you in the next one.